Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, She's French, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed, I would love it if you'd consider subscribing. The button is down below. You know what to do. If you want to check me out on Instagram, my Instagram is at She's French, just like this channel. I post a lot more kind of casual content there. I post on my story pretty much all the time, which maybe that makes me old, I don't know. But I'd love to meet you guys over there. But anyway, let's get started with the video. Today's video is going to be talking about decorating as a minimalist, specifically for fall, which is my ultimate favorite season. And I have a few things I want to show you and things I want to discuss with you about how I go about it. And yeah, because I love fall. I have a son, I'm a mom, and I do want him to have those little seasonal decorations and that kind of magic. For me, it's really important to create that for him. So, you know, I find ways to still decorate as a minimalist. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the super obvious because I think this is the most impactful thing you can do to decorate without doing a lot, and that's a candle. Groundbreaking, I know. So this is a pumpkin spice candle. The moment we got back from our vacation, and it's quite early, I'm filming this in like early August, but whatever, I'm ready for fall. Summer's over as far as I'm concerned. I knew that to get into the spirit, we needed a candle. So pumpkin spice is not a thing in France. It's an American thing. This is a Yankee candle, so American candle brand. I knew I had to have one. There's a store in Paris that sells Yankee candles. They import them in from the US, and I just knew they would have it, and they did. So that is the first thing that I grabbed. This is so easy because if you get a candle like this, first off, the color kind of does the decorating for you, but also the scent. Scent is so powerful in transporting you and kind of setting the scene. So I think that's like the best thing you can do. And because you end up using the candle, it's not something that you're going to be stuck with for the rest of the year. When the season passes, you're likely to be done with the candle. This is such a nice one. I actually got this for such a good price. I was really scared that it would be super expensive, but it was 30 bucks or 30 euros, so pretty much the price of that in the US. Unfortunately, we have less selection here. Like I said, this is specifically imported. Before I used to do like soy wax, coconut wax, I'm pretty sure, but this is a pretty classic candle, but I'm working with what I have, but I love this. I'm not complaining. I also got a little wax melt, which I think that's actually really great if you have like a neutral, if you don't want to do full on decorating, but you want to do like scent and kind of live through the season without changing your space. And if you enjoy candle, I would recommend doing like a wax melter and then getting like a scented wax that matches, like something neutral that just tucks in your space that always looks that way. If you're that kind of like minimal decorator, I think this is a really great option too. This is spiced banana bread. Insane. Next, I'm gonna show you our token pumpkin. We've had this for years now, and it's so small, it's kind of compact. We have this small little box where we keep our Christmas and basically our seasonal stuff. We really just have Christmas and a little bit of fall. So this gets tucked away every year, and then every year around the time we pull it out. It's so cute. This is from Target. It's small, it's wicker. It's not like Halloween specifically. I'm considering adding like something Halloween related, more so for my son and also just because it's fun. But if you want to decorate like for fall and Halloween at the same time, I think like a neutral pumpkin. So it's like such a funny video, but whatever, let's just enjoy. I think like a neutral I can't say it seriously. A neutral pumpkin is like the way to go. I love this guy. He's so cute. I have a hard time keeping him on the table because Zen loves to pick it up and take it with him. So sometimes it's actually on the table for decoration, other times it's with Zen. But yeah, love this one. Easy to tuck away and then you bring it out when you need to, and it's so cute. And I guess let's just like highlight that you don't have to do this, but this brings me joy. But I like to do it within reason because I don't have a lot of storage anyway, so I like to do a little bit. I don't like to have like full takeover of the house. little bits here and there I think are super cute, and it's kind of fun to kind of pace out the year seasonally. So anyway, the next thing is a cup. So this is a nice little pumpkin mug. I love it. Literally the first thing I grabbed when we got back from the vacation, I pulled that box down and whipped out the mug. I've had this since last year. I do plan to get a Christmas mug. I don't know, I drink a lot of teas, a lot of coffees. Like this is something I see like throughout the day, and it just makes me happy and I love it. And it's like an easy little thing that doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's just like a nice little touch. So I recommend a mug, like a little seasonal mug that makes you smile. I love, love, love this one. Something more random that I want to show you is my placemats. I keep these out. What is this video, honestly, guys? I keep these out like year round. These are like the placemats, but I love that they're like a pretty neutral. I put it down, picked it back up. They're a pretty neutral placemat. I feel like they're so easy to decorate for any season. Like I like to have them out for the purpose they have, but also I feel like they dress up the table, and then when I put like little things on the table like this, it just like all comes together. Our tabletop is marble, so sometimes it can feel like a bit cold. I feel like maybe that's a cool little trick. Another thing, which is gonna be like an abstract decoration, we're gonna call it like mind decoration, is reading like a little seasonal book. I just finished, this is my Kindle, and look, by the way, these are my stickers. We'll talk more about that in a second. I just finished a super cute book that I saw on TikTok, and that like completely transported me into fall. I'm trying to find it to show you guys. I absolutely loved it. I've been getting super into reading. I'm loving my Kindle. I'm like kind of obsessed. Like every opportunity I have to whip out my Kindle, I take it. I got inspired because it's so funny. In Paris, people really read a lot. If you take the public transportation, you'll see people really actively reading, which I feel like in the US I didn't see as much, but perhaps I didn't encounter people out and about as much because in Paris I can't escape them. They're everywhere. We all take public transportation. We're all together in this. People are always reading on the metro, whether it's a Kindle or like an actual book, and I love that. So I was really inspired, and I was like, okay, I need to get back into reading. I've always loved reading, but I stopped, and that's a real shame. So got my Kindle, obsessed. I'm reading ACOTAR, but I took a little break to read this one because I got it advertised to me on TikTok. Here it is, and I just had to. It's flipped, but this is called The Pumpkin Spice Cafe. It's the season to fall in love. By Laurie Gilmore. This was such a cute book. I don't know that it's like crazy, like mind stimulating, you know, like it's a cute Hallmark movie style book, but it like did the trick for me. I loved it. A little bit spicy, I will say, but just really, really cute. She has 2 more coming out that I'm really excited about. I pre-ordered them because I love things like this. It's just like, I eat it right up. So I felt like reading this, I was like super ready for fall. She always mentions like, it takes place at a cute coffee shop called the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. I mean, come on. And yeah, like talking about flannels and things like that. Like I feel like just mentally I got like transported into fall, and I loved it. So I really recommend that. Her 2 other books, one is gonna be about a bookstore. Oh yeah, cinnamon roll something. And then the final one that comes out at Christmas time is like the Christmas tree farm. And I think there's a 4th. I saw a mention of like a strawberry shortcake. I don't even know what I'm saying, but if you like this stuff, look into her. I loved it. I enjoyed the books. I recommend it. It was so cheap too. It was like €5 for me, and I think it was a bit more expensive because I'm in Europe. So fun little thing to do. Last but not least, I have to mention my stickers, you guys, because I made a really cute sticker pack for Halloween and a couple fall stickers that I'm going to show you. I guess shameless promo, but I'm really proud of them. I do everything by hand myself, all alone. I draw the stickers on my iPad. I use Procreate. Then I print them on like the special sticker paper that I use, and then I have a machine that cuts out the stickers. Like everything from start to finish is made by me. I also do the designs for the backing, all my packaging, everything. It's all me. It's made with so much love. I love doing it. So this is the Spooky Cookies sticker pack. There's a little ghost like sugar cookie. There's a little skull sugar cookie, and there's a little pumpkin, and they're so cute. I have the skull on my Kindle. I love how it looks. It's like my child. So maybe I'm biased, but I love him. And my son Zen loves them too. It makes me so happy when he likes my stickers. It's actually becoming a problem because he wants like my whole stock, and it's very hard to say no. So I keep on giving him everything. But I just think they're so cute. I'm so proud of them. There's my sticker packs are a little pack of 3 stickers, and then there's a cute card. And honestly, sometimes I feel like they're too cute to open. Like you could have it out like this as a little decoration. But if not, I also have loose stickers. So I have the loose little sugar cookie skeleton, the loose little ghost. I love his face. It's like, oh, I don't know. I have, inspired by my very own mug, a pumpkin spice latte. Duh. I had to. It's actually my favorite drink. I'm going to try to make the syrup myself this year, but I'm having a hard time sourcing the like pumpkin spice. I have to find, like, I have to get it from the US somehow, or a website that sells it, because we don't have it here. Don't take it for granted if you're in the US, because it's hard to get. Starbucks does make a pumpkin spice latte, but I want to make it myself. Yeah, so all that I'll have to figure out later. But anyway, I had to. So it has a little cinnamon stick, whipped cream with pumpkin spice on it, or cinnamon. Yeah, love it. Then we have, again, the pumpkin sugar cookie, and then 2 pumpkins. We have one with little ghosts painted on it, and a classic jack-o'-lantern. So cute. If you're interested in any of these, I have to do the little promo, I'm sorry, but I have to. I'll have the link below. I would actually love it if you would check out my Etsy. It would mean so much to me. I have so much fun doing this, and I really hope that it will grow because I really love it. It's nice when life is really hectic. It's nice to kind of channel that into drawing. I feel like my life moves so fast and it's so crazy. So for me, this is like my passion escape little project. I just love doing it. But anyway, no pressure. But yeah, where I'm going with this is that decorating with a sticker is so easy. It's not super permanent. The skull is my favorite, so I actually put one on my water bottle. I have an Owala, love it. And I put one on there, and then of course you saw him on my Kindle, and I feel like it's just so much fun. Like for me, it's fun to see this. It kind of like brings me back into the season. But like stickers are very like no commitment decorating, you know? I'm gonna finish off with one last thought, and it's that there's ways also to feel like you're in the season without buying or having like tangible objects. In the US, you have the option to go to a pumpkin patch. We took my son one time and it was so much fun. He loved it. It was so cute. It was like the perfect little fall day. That was so much fun. And then like, you know, making yourself a little fall drink at home, or like getting one when you're outside, like a little emotional support pumpkin spice latte or something. I feel like that's so much fun too. And maybe doing little things in experience. I guess this is kind of buying something, but like there's little details like this shirt. I feel like this shirt is fall. I don't know why, but it just gives that for me with the little neckline like that, like little things like that that help to bring you into the season without like full-on pumpkin decoration, pillow, everything everywhere. I think there's ways that you can definitely enjoy the season and do it in little bits and pieces through experience or through like very little touches that, you know, this is not a fall shirt. This is just a shirt. I can wear this all year long if I want to, but I guess it's just how you do your frame of mind. Oh yeah, you're playing?
Yeah.
You guys, I forgot to mention baking. Holiday baking, I think, is like the best thing you can do too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I looked in the right place because I think I was looking in the wrong area the whole video. So I apologize. It's been a while since I filmed. I would love to know your little tips and tricks for decorating for fall. I live for fall. Fall is my favorite. So love that. Also, let me know if you're into pumpkin spice lattes because I'm obsessed. Do you like them too? I need to know. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I forgot to say, my little store is called Cowboy Cafe. I will leave the link below if you want to check out my Instagram or my Etsy. And my actual Instagram is at shesfrench. So if you want to follow me over there, that would be really cool. I post more frequently on Instagram on my stories than I do on YouTube. I post almost every day on my Instagram, so I'd love to see you guys over there. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!